I'm going to introduce my family. Let's start with my mom. She's my mom. Her name is Jenny. She is 55 years old. She's a housewife. She likes to listen to music, to reading books. Uh, she really liked the pets, the cats. Uh, She loves the dogs. She loves the plants. She had a lot of plants on our garage. She teach me a lot of things. I love her. The next, well, the next is my dad. His name is Helbert. He is 56 years old. He's a farmer. He liked to stay in the work a lot of time. He passed a lot of time on the work. He liked to drive the car. He liked to drink beers. He loves stay in the work really. He doesn't like to watch TV, to listen to music. She's a very, very angry person, I think, but I love him. And he teach me a lot of things about the work, the life, and I really appreciate this, you know. Well, next, here's my brother. Uh, his name is Jesus. He is 23 years old. He's a student. He knows a lot of things about math. And he likes this. He likes to study, to watch TV. He likes to reading books. He likes to watch videos on YouTube. Playing video games on the farm. He doesn't like to, play soccer, do sports. He loves to fishing. He teaches me a lot of things about maths. When I need help for my homeworks, he really helps me. That's my brother. Now I'm going to introduce my sister. Her name is Catherine. Catherine is 27 years old. I really love her. She works in the hospital. She's a student. She's a student too. She knows a lot of things about the books. She read a lot of books. He likes this. Like the dogs, the cats. She likes to drive the motorcycle. She likes to run. She likes to do sports. That's my sister. She doesn't like to be in a room full of stress. She likes to. She doesn't like to watch TV. That's my sister, and that's my father.